What's up, traders? If you've ever dreamed of turning just a few dollars into a fortune overnight, then keep watching, because today I'm about to reveal a secret hack that's flipping the game for traders everywhere. And yes, this trick has the power to make traders rich in just 24 hours. Now, we know Forex trading can seem like a never-ending uphill battle. The charts, the analysis, the endless news updates, it's easy to get lost. But what if I told you there's a powerful shortcut that top traders are using to maximize profits fast? Let's break it down. This isn't some gimmick. This is a proven method used by pros that focuses on a unique, under-the-radar market condition that can shoot your profits through the roof within hours. It's all about catching high-impact news events that move the market faster than you can blink. Step 1 is news trading. Imagine this. A major government announcement or a surprise interest rate change drops. In that moment, Forex pairs like the euro to US dollar or GBP to JPY can swing massively in minutes. Pro traders are already positioned, knowing exactly when to enter the market. These major news events send shockwaves through the Forex market. But here's the trick: knowing exactly when to strike. There are key indicators you can follow, like the economic calendar, to predict when these events will happen and which currency pairs will explode. Step 2. Timing is everything. You can't just randomly jump into trades. The secret hack is knowing when to enter and exit within these high volatility windows. There's a perfect moment after the news hits, about 5 to 15 minutes, where the market reaction is wild, but still predictable. Right here. This is where the magic happens. You catch the price at its most extreme, ride the wave, and then boom, you cash out. Traders who time it perfectly can double or even triple their money in just hours. Step 3, and this is crucial: risk management. You want to protect your downside while maximizing your upside. Set tight stop losses just in case the market swings the wrong way. The secret to fast riches isn't just in making big trades, it's making smart trades. With this secret Forex hack, timing the market right after major news, placing strategic trades, and managing risk, you can see massive returns in just 24 hours. So, are you ready to try this hack yourself? The Forex market is full of opportunities every day, but only those who know how to seize them make it big. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that will take your trading game to the next level. And remember, the market rewards those who are prepared. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let me know in the comments. Are you ready to use this secret hack to transform your trading? Let's make it happen.